Subscribers, we are back for Nyam 34, and today we're going to be doing a challenge. So you'll see in a bit. See in a bit. Say, my G.
We are back. No photos on our faces, no photos on our faces. So as I said in the intro, today we're going to be doing a challenge. So we've got 5 bowls in front of us. You've seen that. I put this little picture up that I've just taken. We've got noodles, fried chicken, a hot dog, 2 eggs, a bowl of grapes, and we've got a whole chilli and 5 tea cakes. No. So basically we've got to eat this as quick as we can.
No, we've got 20 minutes haven't we to finish it all?
Yeah, but we've still got to eat it. Yeah. But
so you just at the time,
hold on. Let me just put some. Let me just prep. I get your sauces out.
What is that?
Chillers for my. So my noodles aren't.
I'm gonna put some tomato sauce.
Tomato.
On my hot dog.
I'll just put some chili oil on that. I'm gonna get some buffalo sauce. I'm going all spicy. A bit of buffalo sauce into my bowl of my fried chicken.
I'm gonna have some garlic.
Can I have some ketchup, please?
Yeah, I was gonna have some garlic mayo, please. I'm gonna put a bit of this also on my other side of the chicken.
Yeah, that's wrong. Right, you said
garlic mayo.
The ketchup. My hot dog.
Remember, don't do this at home. Gluttony is a sin.
It is. Wait, what's that juice in the middle?
That's water.
What for?
It's gonna have water glasses.
Mind your what where's my mum for? You've got a little split in that glass, Mum, so mind your lip.
Where, this one?
No, your water glass.
Okay.
Right, so, hold on a sec.
So we've got some water, ice.
Obviously, I've got my rum and Red Bull. Well, sorry, rum and Relentless.
And I have got some vodka and tropical juice. What's water?
Yeah. I love how you put water in the cocktail thing.
Huh? I'll put the water up.
No!
You got enough water there, that's all you need. Obviously you're the spice queen.
Right, should I put a bit of background music on just to...
Yes!
Cycles up.
Jesus love me.
You know you're going to get beat.
How do you know?
Because, listen, trust me, yeah?
20 minutes, folks, to eat.
And we're going to do a bowl at a time?
Yeah, I'm going to talk as well, Misha.
We're going to do 1 bowl at a time. Oh, so we're just going now, yeah? Okay.
Yeah, it's dry as hell.
Wow.
Why is it so dry? I feel like pouring water on it, doesn't it? Yours said dry because you put a sauce on it, didn't you? It's getting stuck in my throat already.
Wow. This is spicy now.
You'll beat me on this one.
My strategy, I'm going to tell you. Just go hard on these.
Was that a timer?
Oh.
Huh? Why? That's 20 minutes.
Just watch on top of the video. My gums are burning. Oh my days. I might fall at the first turn.
I don't think you will. I could yours is it. It's gone already. Oh my god. I hate it. You put more in my bowl.
Oh shit, man.
This is just looking for phone.
You should have some drink then. Noodles done. I dropped some. Oh my days. Home cooked fried chicken. Mmm. Oh my days.
Stuck in my throat, man.
With some ketchup.
Oh, I thought it was strange.
My mouth's on fire. And
Turn down for me, please.
right? Mom!
Which I did a noodles like where? Seriously?
Basically, yeah. I've had some more. That can beat me.
I said, it's not to do in 20 minutes. Why? What's spicy?
Mayonnaise. And my buffalo sauce.
I think it's full already.
We fucked up in the order.
Why? Mitch, are you on your last chicken already?
I put both one in my pocket. So anyway. So, I don't know why I shouted them. We've got our t-shirts. I've mentioned before, on sale. This isn't on the website yet.
What's that?
Poo. That's poo. That's sweet poo. It's shit. And there's a brick. Chicken dog. I need a minute. But then again, if you start,
Can you wait for me?
you can't carry on. Hot dog. It's hot dog big, you know.
Can I eat my overdone and come back to my chicken?
Huh?
Can I come back to my chicken?
Go away, right?
Excuse me. Remember, remember, it's against the clock, Mish, it's not against you.
Yeah, I know, but I'm gonna have to take this out of the bread. No rudeness. Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat mine without bread, man.
Bring out the bread.
We'll give them 2 chickens. Yeah?
It's tough, you know. Like my belly is full. I'm full.
Is that him? Well.
See, look. Let the chefs on mine, yeah, trying to catch me out.
Where's the sausage gone? Eh?
Oh my life.
Oh. These are really nice, man.
I'm just like, I've seen, what? I've seen drunk. You should have seen how big your mouth went then.
Oh, yeah. What, you?
Oh my days.
Come on, do this challenge.
Not easy. I'm going to have to skip that for a minute. Right, my bread and white egg left.
Misha, really? You're gonna choke. Papa.
That wasn't a good move.
Let's get out of the way, mate.
Is it hot?
No?
I'm so full, Mum. Like I'm struggling.
Mm.
Oh! Can you see the new earrings? The new Sanucci drip? Yeah. I have dropped a few names today. I'm what? Now you.
Papa.
I'm so sorry, but guess what? I've made room.
No, that's what I actually made.
What, these peppers? You would say that.
Really nice. What do you expect to find in there? Another chicken? I don't think it's spicy at all. Yeah. Browned out then.
Just right there.
Who's that? Young people. Well proud of me.
What's your name? Dom.
Yeah.
Excuse me,
Well,
I'm
somebody's come on here and beat Misha. Obviously she's going to beat me tonight. Aren't you?
I'm not going to follow that.
Eh?
I can't follow that.
Go. You spit it out. You fall for it.
Yeah. So
Why do you put it on your mouth? Eh?
these are the spicy peppers.
Hey. Keep it up.
I can't follow this.
Forfeit. This is the winner.
No, not you.
No, he's like, ow. You know that's the name of the game.
You know
It might be so. I won. So I don't have to eat no more.
what?
Because but you got to eat all yours.
Based on the fact that I spat my Nyam, today wasn't even hot at all.
Why did you put it out then?
It was really bitter. I didn't like the taste of it
I
itself.
want you to come on the show
But
and make me set. But we're going to do something really hot pepper. We're going to do, what's the peppers that we sort of did, the lamb ones?
Scotch bonnet.
Yeah, we're going to do them instead.
You got a bit egg. You got a bit of egg on your face. Actually, I don't know what I'm supposed to eat. I've lost. Well, on a level, I get more.
And what? He's still lost. Bitch. Come on.
You only lost because I let you.
No. So,
Basically,
we want you. I've already said this already, but
I let you win.
as soon as this COVID's over, come round and you do the challenge with Misha. But we'll all do the challenge together. But I don't know what we're going to cook yet, but you're going to be surprised, didn't it, Misha? Yeah? That food is right, it's stuck right here. It's not gone down.
So I hope you're out, yeah?
Thank you.
See, I did that on purpose. I can never let my mum eat all of this.
Why?
Right?
Why?
I couldn't do that to you because I know you can't eat a lot.
Mm-mm.
I
Don't
couldn't
blame
do that.
me.
I couldn't do that to her.
Right guys, so we did a video last time. You know, with kids toys, clackers, jacks. What was wrong? What's that flicky thing?
What flipping? Chili wings.
The chili wings. And we haven't put that one up yet, but we're going to put this one up. Misha's going to do this one tonight. This will be up tonight. So as soon as we finish, you're going to see it straight. Hey, what do you think about that? I've done it.
You touch it again after you see it now.
And then Misha took all her hair. Look at
Mum,
this.
that is the hand you just ate. See, you couldn't even see it on the camera then, could you?
She took her hair out and relaxed it.
Stiff wear. Stiff wear.
And it looks nice, isn't it? But I've done my weave and then I put my lace front on. Because that's what we do. We can do everything, you know. I even did my own nails. I cut them down. Because I couldn't keep that length any longer.
They look really good on the camera though.
Yeah. Why are you trying to say they look bad afterwards? I'm rude. Right.
So you can see them. Look, come in like yes.
Bitch. That's not nice, Misha.
No, your nails do look really nice. Celebrate.
No, they look alright.
Celebrate. Bitch wear.
Yeah.
Bitch wear. Wow.
Oh, and I guess what? Right, so.
Every minute you say A, like you got something.
No, but I am going to tell them,
Go on
Misha.
then, tell them.
So, as you know,
I'm so
Iron
sorry.
Black, that one's coming out soon. We're just waiting for Olympia. And then I've wrote Unspoken, that's a very steamy book. And now we are
Told him
on
that before, innit?
Midnight Shopping. And Midnight Shopping is a...
It's a thriller.
It's a thriller.
It's a beep thriller.
So, and I sent it to my sister, my darling sister Michelle, so she could proofread it, and to Gemma. And they absolutely love it, and I hope that if it's published and all that kind of thing, that you will love it too. It is very, it's very gruesome, isn't it, Misha?
Yeah, can I tell you something? You still have that monkey crate.
But what are you going to tell me?
It's for ill.
What are you going to tell me?
And still.
What are you going to tell me?
Do you know you belched like the whole way through that sentence?
It's a belch? What do you mean a belch? Bitch, where?
Celebrate.
Where? I didn't even hear myself belching, so
Yeah,
you're
because you know,
lying.
watch this video about
You're
you
just making it
singing.
up. Oh, and you know, I keep saying that. And
Because you say A and O, I'm going to say I and E
okay.
and you.
So anyway, so we
I!
so,
E!
Misha, on the last
No, sorry. No, but that's what I'm going to say was that the whole
on the
belching
last
thing.
video, yeah.
Wow.
On the last video, right?
On the last...
Misha!
That was yeah.
Right, on the last video,
My forehead
Misha,
looks
stop
shiny.
it!
My forehead looks bare big, you know. Still, kind of.
But I mentioned this guy that we met in Asda. So I'm going to mention it again in this one because we haven't put that one out yet.
Oh, no, we did. It's on YouTube. You would have seen it on YouTube. But yeah, we'll give you another shout out. This.
Yeah, it's when it's always in Asda and he says, oh, I love you guys, blah, blah, blah. And he was really, really nice. We had a chat and he's ever so nice. We used to take that grape off your nose.
Someone through it.
Nah,
Who threw that?
that looks like your mole.
I thought it just looked like maybe
So,
like
you know what I mean? And that's what I want. Pardon?
It made me look like
Misha?
Sorry,
It's because I love my girl, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Right.
Well, this is wet though still. What napkins? What kind of setup is this?
Did you bring in napkins?
Did you put down any?
Did you? Misha? Am I meant to do everything?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I cooked.
No, you did the chicken.
Wow, and I did the noodles.
That's
What
not
did you
cooking,
do?
though.
What did you do? You
boiled
peeled
it.
a few eggs.
You boiled
You
them.
boiled the eggs and peeled
I set the
them.
table.
What then?
I set the table.
Yeah, exactly. You didn't even do that properly. Where's the napkins at?
I hate you.
Look, you give me one squat, a little bit of water. And
Oh,
then
you
got
still
full
talking,
glass.
Misha, on the serious
Wow. Sorry, Cam.
So if
Sorry.
you see
So
us
sorry.
out anywhere,
So that's spice.
please, yo, what you saying? That's what we want you to say.
Yeah,
to
that's
us.
what we do because she showed you on the last video.
Yeah, I know, but the thing is, please. Anyway, and keep liking.
See, look, you belched again. Keep liking all the vids. Hit the thumbs up on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell on Facebook. Hit the like. Hit the share. Like the page and follow the page.
Yeah.
On Instagram, you're going to see little clips of all these videos. Like them and follow us.
Misha, are you actually doing that?
And on Twitter, I don't know what you do on Twitter. You look at yellow front score extra.
Sorry.
And on Twitter, you can follow. I think you can follow. I don't know how Twitter works. I don't know what accent I'm doing. I'm sorry for anyone who's
stupid idiot. Misha
I'm sorry to anyone who's ever found out. But yeah, you can hit the follow and you can hit the like. The like. I think that's Essex Bay. Essex Bay. I don't know. I'm really sorry. But did you see how my mouth was lean up? That's how my mum's mouth was.
Misha,
My mum's
my mouth is lean up.
This is what Sean.
Is that lean face?
Yeah, no. You look, your bottom lip goes this way.
Yeah, but that's my signature.
Look.
That's my signature thing. That's my
It's not your
signature.
signature. Your signature is what you do with the pen.
Misha, you're an idiot.
Wow! But yeah, so, I was going to say something. I can't remember what I was going to say. It was really important.
And go
Oh, that's what I was going to say.
You don't interrupt
You
me
know,
there.
I'm sorry, but obviously I've been burping a lot in this video, and I really do apologise for anyone that's offended.
So please send us some Andrews.
We've got some stuff in the bathroom.
Send us some more.
Oh, we don't use that one. Yeah, the reason why is because we've had all these chilies and things.
It's a lie, she does it all the time, folks.
Oh, no, I don't.
Yeah.
And to be fair, it just shows that we are, like, we're just being real with you, you know what I mean? Like, it is what it is. I can beep them out if you want. Look at the earring dangling. Like I said, that's Sanucci. Off the babes for V-Day.
Our girlfriend brought that for
Valentine's
Day.
So, Sanucci, hit me up if you...
If Sanucci, you better send me something as well. Yeah.
Anyway, when you get your mouth on.
Misha, shut up.
What? We don't want that person on our thing.
Oh,
that
please.
plopper dopper.
Let's Misha. Anyway, let's say hi.
I don't think we've been on drugs this game. We haven't. We're drunk on food, high on life.
You're an idiot.
And
you're stupid bastard.
Oh, you don't mean you stupid idiot bastard. You're a squiddier.
Yeah. Anyway, shall we say hiya?
All right, squiddier.
Hiya.
You're alright.
Hiya. See ya. Bye.
Bye. I tried.
Misha, you dirty bitch.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Twat.
No one would have heard that.
You a twat.
You heard it, you heard it. You know what I'm saying? There's me getting really paranoid to fight in front of my missus, yeah, and I'm just fighting in front of millions of people. Great.
What?
We got really excited about your Instagram. No, the other one was, but why not mention I love you more?